5 Carry-on packing hacks you should know before your next flight. Most people think packing a carry-on is simple, until they get to the airport and everything starts going wrong. The truth is, a few small packing decisions can completely change your travel experience. If you want a smoother, faster, and stress-free trip, here are 5 smart carry-on packing hacks you should know before your next flight. Hack number 1. Build a quick access zone. Instead of stuffing everything randomly into your bag, create a dedicated section for items you'll need often, like your passport, boarding pass, phone, charger, and earphones. When you reach security or boarding, you won't be that person holding up the line, searching through your bag. Everything you need is already within reach, saving you time and reducing stress. Hack number 2. Use the layer packing method. Don't just throw items into your bag, pack in layers. Start with heavier items at the bottom, then clothes in the middle, and essentials on top. This keeps your bag balanced, prevents wrinkling, and makes it easier to find things without unpacking everything. It's a simple trick, but it makes your carry-on feel twice as organized. Hack number 3. Roll, don't fold, but do it smartly. Rolling clothes saves space, but the real trick is grouping outfits together. Instead of rolling random items, roll complete outfits. That way, when you arrive, you don't have to dig through your bag looking for matching pieces. You grab one roll and you're ready to go. Hack number 4. Always pack a power backup kit. Your phone is your boarding pass, your map, your communication tool, and basically your travel lifeline. Always carry a small kit with a power bank, charging cable, and adapter. Keep it in one place so you can access it quickly, especially during delays or long layovers. A charged device keeps you in control of your journey. Hack number 5. Use empty spaces creatively. Most people waste space without realizing it. Fill your shoes with socks or small items. Use gaps between packed clothes for chargers or accessories. Even the corners of your bag can hold something useful. Maximizing small spaces means you carry more without overpacking, and your bag stays compact. Smart travel isn't about carrying more. It's about packing smarter. Once you master small hacks like these, airports feel easier, flights feel smoother, and your entire trip becomes more enjoyable. Travel prepared, and you'll always stay one step ahead.